So guys, welcome back. We have landed at Byron Bay after being stranded, well, almost stranded, along the New South Wales coast on our drive up from Sydney. And wow, that was some pretty strong rain we had. So the sun is finally out after 3 days of rain along the coast, and we're looking forward to going to the beach finally. Pretty much here in the hostel, cooking, eating. It's been very nice meeting a lot of folks. Right now it's lunchtime and they've all gone on their tours or working as usual at a hostel. So it's just been Kim and I waiting for some sunshine. And now that it's out, we're gonna go and head to the beach. This is where the kids hang out at night and drink and enjoy themselves. Party central here at night. It's been very nice. How nice it is to be young and free. And that's the key, guys. Free, not just young. Anyhow, that was just a catch up of where we've been the last few days here in Byron Bay, waiting for the sun, and it's come, right? You'll be seeing that next from this channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye now.